The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for north-central Jefferson County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Orange County in southeastern Texas, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Beaumont, Orange, Nederland, Vidor, Morrisville, Rose City, and Pine Forest. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Doubleheader! Special Marine!
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas, out 20 nautical miles until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over West Cameron 48, or near the mouth of the Sabine River, moving southwest at 10 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Cameron 48 and West Cameron 53. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Flood warning now in effect.